Good morning, children. In the last class, I explained about the British position in India. Understand, that is the second unit in history, trade from trade to territory. In this chapter, we saw how the British they landed in India and what was the position of the Britishers, how they got power because of the Battle of Plassey in 1757 and the Battle of Buxar in 1764. Now, today we are going to see about the Carnatic Wars which were fought between the French and the British. Understand? Three Carnatic Wars were conducted between French and the Britishers. We'll see. And this British and French, they were rival countries in not only in India, from Europe. Europe landa and the rivalry it continued in India also. Understand? And they wanted to occupy the territories. Okay, that's imperialism. They wanted to occupy the territories. The Carnatic Wars which was started in 1746 and ended in 1763. Three Carnatic Wars. It was fought between the French and the British. Understand? Inga kuduthirukanga par tabular column la. The first Carnatic War was conducted in the year 1746 to 1748. And the second Carnatic was 1749 till 1754, and the third Carnatic War 1756 till 1763. Evlo years nadandirukla? Okay, the first Carnatic War we'll see now. The first Carnatic War in the year 1746 to 1748. We'll see. On the outbreak of the Austrian War of Succession in Europe, Austria எப்படி யாரு capture பண்றது அப்படின் European country, one of the European country தான் Austria. Understand? The rivalry, யார் அதுக்காக fight பண்ணதுன்னு பார்த்தா the French and the Britishers. It was the opposite side. It was that power, understand, that was continued in India also. The echo of the Austrian War of Succession was fled to India also. Understand? First one, எப்படி war நடந்ததுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். It was the Battle of Adayar. A war was occurred in the year 1746, Battle of Adayar. The first Carnatic Wars was remembered, that is the war in the battle at Santhom. Santhom நீங்க கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? நம்ம பீச் போவோம்ல, அதுல இருந்து கொஞ்சம் நம்ம தாண்டி போனோம்னா the Santhom. It was in Madras. Understand? This French forces under the forces of that is Anvaruddin. Anvaruddin was the Nawab of Carnatic. Nawab of Karpota Carnatic. நீங்க ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். ஃபுல்லா நம்ம மிஸ் நிறைய எழுதணும்னா time will take. Understand? If you see the book, you can understand. Okay. So, this Anvaruddin was the Nawab of Carnatic. He appealed for the help to the Britishers. He asked help to help British. So, this war, this French forces, they attack this Anvaruddin. Understand? So, the war between the French and the Nawab, The war between the French and the Nawab. Anwaruddin, the Nawab of Carnatic, he asked help from the British கிட்ட help கேட்கிறார். Understand? A small French army under Captain Paradise defeated the strong army under Mahfuz Khan at Santhom on the banks of river. Understand? At of the river Adayar. This was the first occasion when that is I'll tell you then, as this French army under the captain of Paradise. French oda idoda commander yaar irundha, avaroda name enna? Paradise. Paradise was the captain of this French army. He defeated the Indian army under Mahfuz Khan. Mahfuz Khan. Mahfuz Khan was defeated and the French got victory. Understand? This in the pathona, this was the first occasion happened in India, and the well equipped European army over the Indian army was proved to be undoubt. That is, the European army, the French people, they got a somewhat better army than the Indians. Idhilanda avanga prove panna aarambichitaanga. Okay, the next one, Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. This treaty was conducted in the year 1748. எந்த ஒரு வார் வந்தாலும், whatever the war, it was conducted, at last a treaty will be concluded among the powers. யார் அதை ஃபைட் பண்ணுறாங்களோ அவங்களோட. So after the first Carnatic War, a treaty was concluded between the French and the defeated country. Understand? It was called as Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. So, according to this Aix-la-Chapelle, the Austrian War of Succession was in Europe la nadandadunu paathom la, the Austrian War of Succession. So it was came to an end. The terms of this treaty was Madras was returned back to this English ku Britain, they got Madras, and this French army, they got the territories in North America. Understand? In the first Carnatic War, French got victory. இங்கே பார்த்தோம், French got victory under Captain Paradise. The Nawab Mahfuz Khan was defeated. Understand? The Mahfuz Khan தான் இந்த அன்வருதீன், அவங்க யாரோட கண்ட்ரோலில் இருந்தாங்க, யார்கிட்ட ஹெல்ப் கேட்டாங்க? பிரிட்டிஷ் கிட்ட ஹெல்ப் கேட்டாங்கன்னு பார்த்தோம். ஸோ இந்த ஃபஸ்ட்டு கர்நாடிக் வார், த ஃப்ரெஞ்ச் காட் விக்ட்ரி. ட்ரீட்டி என்ன சைன் பண்ணாங்க? த ட்ரீட்டி ஆஃப் Aix-la-Chapelle in the year 1748. According to the treaty, this Madras was given back to British, and this French, they got the territories in North America. Okay, now the second Carnatic War. In the year 1749 till 1754, the second Carnatic War. We'll see what happened in the second Carnatic War. Here, this war was the main occasion in Hyderabad. Understand? Anwaruddin Khan, and there was a clash between Anwaruddin Khan. Listen carefully, children. ஒரு ஸ்டோரி மாதிரி இருக்கும் இது, நீங்கள் நல்லா புரியணும். first of all you have to understand the story, then you can write in your own words. Understand? This Anwaruddin Khan and Chanda Sahib, they were claimed. Anwaruddin and Chanda Sahib, they both were claimed Carnatic region. கர்நாடிக்காக இவங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் ஃபைட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டாங்க. அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? நான் தான் ரூல் கிங் ஆவேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஹூவர் திஸ் அன்வருதீன் அண்ட் சந்தா சாஹிப். Like that, Nasir Jung and Muzaffar Jung were claimed to the throne of Carnatic, Hyderabad. Nasir Jung, I'll write here. Nasir Jung and Muzaffar Jung. இவங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் எதுக்காக ஃபைட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டாங்கன்னா claimed the place for Hyderabad, that is the place, the throne of Hyderabad. Understand? The French supported Chanda Sahib and Muzaffar Jung. French யார்கிட்ட போயிட்டு ஹெல்ப் கேட்டாங்க? This Chanda Sahib and Muzaffar Jung, they both were helped by French. And Anwaruddin and Nasir Jung, they both were helped by English, the British. Can you able to follow? Understand? So, there was again I'll tell you, the second Carnatic War was started in the year 1749 till 1754. கர்நாட்டிக்கோட த்ரோனுக்காக யாரெல்லாம் who were fought with each other? Anwaruddin and Chanda Sahib. யார் கிங் ஆகிறது, கர்நாட்டிக்கோட கிங் ஆகிறது? Likewise, Nasir Jung and Muzaffar Jung, they both were claimed to the throne of Hyderabad. Understand? நல்லா அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. now Chanda Sahib and Muzaffar Jung, they both were helped by French. Anwaruddin and Nasir Jung, they both were helped by the British. இப்போ ரெண்டு குரூப் ஆயிடுச்சு. இப்போ யார் நடுவில் வந்துட்டா? ஒன் சைடில் யார் யார் இருக்காங்க? Chanda Sahib, Muzaffar Jung, French. Another side, Anwaruddin, Nasir Jung, British. Understand? Okay. Now, Battle of Ambur. In the year 1749, Battle of Ambur. Very important battle. Here, finally, this Dupleix, the French, French governor yaar irundhathu? Dupleix. This Dupleix, Chanda Sahib and Muzaffar Jung, they joined the army and they defeated this Anwaruddin and killed. அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? யாரை சாகடிச்சிட்டாங்க? பிரிட்டிஷோட ஜாயின் பண்ணியிருந்தாங்கல்ல அன்வருதீன், அவனை சாகடிச்சிட்டாங்க. ஓகே, திஸ் அன்வருதீன் வாஸ் கில்டு பை திஸ் நவாப். அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? இன் த பேட்டில் ஆஃப் ஆம்பூர் இன் 1749. And this Muhammad Ali made the son of Anwaruddin. Anwaruddin இறந்துட்டான். ஸோ அவனோட சன் யாரு? Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali was the son of Anwaruddin. Anwaruddin was killed, இறந்துட்டான். Understand? So, Muhammad Ali, he fled to Tiruchirappalli, பயந்துட்டான். Understand? French நம்மளையும் சாகடிச்சிடுவாங்க அப்படின்றதுனால he fled to Tiruchirappalli. And at Tiruchirappalli, this Chanda Sahib became the Nawab of Carnatic. They made this Nawab of Carnatic, and this Chanda Sahib, he gave 88 villages to French. ஏன்னா French அவங்க ஹெல்ப் பண்ணாங்கல்ல. This Chanda Sahib got victory and Anwaruddin was defeated and killed. Anwaruddin சாகடிச்சிட்டாங்க, செத்துட்டான் Anwaruddin in the battle. Understand? So Chanda Sahib made as the Nawab of Carnatic, and for that he rewarded the French. எனக்கு அவனுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணாங்கல்ல அப்படின்றதுனால he gave 80 villages including Pondicherry. அதையும் சேர்த்து யாரு கொடுத்துட்டான்? French கொடுத்துட்டான். Who gave? This Chanda Sahib. Understand? Okay. Then next, இப்போ ஹைதராபாத்ல வரலாம். Nasir Jung and Muzaffar Jung. நாசிர் ஜங்க்கு யார் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணது? பிரிட்டிஷ். முசாஃபர் ஜங்க்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணது French. Understand? We'll see. And in the Hyderabad also, Deccan also, French defeated and killed Nasir Jang. Nasir Jang was killed by French. So Nasir Jang was defeated and Muzaffar Jang got victory. Understand? As the Nizam of Hyderabad. Okay. The new Nizam, அவன் என்ன பண்ணிட்டான்? ஃப்ரெஞ்சுக்கு இவன் சந்தா சாஹிப்பை 80 villages கொடுத்தான். அதனால இவனும் என்ன பண்ணான்? This Muzaffar Jang also gave much rewards to French. Understand? And he appointed Dupleix as the governor of all of his territories. அவனோட territoryக்கலாம் till river Ganga. And this Muzaffar Jang was assassinated. He was killed by his own people. அவனோட பீப்புளே முசாஃபர் ஜங்கை சாகடிச்சிட்டாங்க. And they made Muzaffar Jang was killed by his own people, and they made Salabat Jang. He was the brother of Nasir Jang. Salabat Jang was the brother of Nasir Jang. They made Salabat Jang as the Nizam of Hyderabad. Understand? And Nasir Jang, brother of Salabat Jang, granted the northern Sarkars, Guntur district to the French. Understand? French கொடுத்துட்டான். Okay. Dupleix, he was the governor of this French. He made as a great governor to rule all over the places. Understand? This Carnatic area, then Hyderabad area, all this. So in second battle of Carnatic war also, the French, they got victory. Can you able to follow then? Okay. Now battle of Arcot. This is very important battle. Battle of Arcot. We'll see. This Battle of Arcot in the year 1751. 1751. So in this meantime, this Dupleix, he sent forces to besiege Trichy. Trichyல யார் போய் அங்க ஒளிஞ்சிக்கிட்டது? This Muhammad Ali, the son of Anwaruddin. So he took shelter in Trichy. So Chanda Sahib and French அவங்கெல்லாம் ஜாயின் பண்ணி they besiege Trichy. So இந்த டைம்ல பிரிட்டிஷோட கவர்னர் ஜெனரல் யாருன்னு பார்த்தா ராபர்ட் கிளைவ். He accepted the British governor Saunders. அவர் என்ன சொன்னார்? 200 English and 300 Indian soldiers கூட்டிட்டு வா, நம்ம யார் அட்டாக் பண்ணலாம்? The French அட்டாக் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு the task of Arcot was in the hands of Robert Clive. Understand? In this battle of Arcot, one side the French and this Chanda Sahib. Another side the British, that is Robert Clive plus Robert Clive only. Understand? So in this battle the French got victory and the British, Robert Clive was in victory. The French got defeated. The Robert Clive defeated the French army at Arni and Kaveri Park. So this Major General Stringer Lawrence, அவனோட ஹெல்ப்னால this Robert Clive, he killed Chanda Sahib in Trichy. So Chanda Sahib, the friend of the Nawab of this Carnatic, he was killed by Robert Clive. Understand? And they made Muhammad Ali as the Nawab. Understand? Nawab of Carnatic. Okay. So remaining we'll see in the next class. Okay children, bye.